Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video I will show you that how you can combine images in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So in the prompt just type here slash and you will see a blend option. So just type in blend here and you can see it asks you to add two images that you want to combine. You can get up to 4 images if you want to. So just click on this option and here you can see it asks to upload 2 images that you want to combine. So let me upload the images for you. Let's suppose the first image I want is this one. Just click on it and click open and then add the other image. So I want to use this image. So click on the open button and you can see the both images has been added. So let's just combine that. So press the enter key. So once you are done, just press the enter key and it will start combining these both images. Midjourney does a pretty good job in combining multiple images. So let's see what it so let's see what it does come so let's see what it does for these two images. And here you can see the Midjourney has done a pretty good job in combining in combining the images that I added. It has chosen the colors from one image and added it to other image. And in the background you can even see the buildings from the second image, and in the front you can see the building from the first image. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.